Musicbed is a powerful platform designed to provide creators with high-quality music for their projects, whether it's a YouTube video, a cinematic masterpiece, or a social media campaign. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of using Musicbed, from exploring its music library to syncing tracks to your projects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get the most out of this platform and elevate your creative work. The journey begins at musicbed.com, where you'll find an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. If you don't already have an account, click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the page. Fill in your name, email address, and password to create your account. This process takes only a few moments and opens the door to a vast world of music. If you're an existing user, simply click Login and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once inside, you'll see the heart of Musicbed, its comprehensive music library. The platform offers several filters to help you pinpoint the perfect track. You can search by mood, uplifting, dramatic, relaxing, genre, indie, cinematic, electronic, or artist to find a specific musician's work. Additionally, you can use the instrument filter to locate tracks featuring instruments like piano, guitar, or strings. Each filter is designed to make your search as precise and efficient as possible. As you browse, click the play button next to a track to preview it. This feature allows you to get a sense of the music's tone and compatibility with your project before making a decision. Musicbed offers a playlist feature to help you organize tracks for easy access. To add a track to a playlist, simply click the Add to Playlist option. You can create multiple playlists and name them based on your projects or themes, such as wedding videos, travel vlogs, or cinematic scores. This system keeps your favorite tracks organized and saves you time when you're ready to select music for your project. What sets Musicbed apart is its curated selection of music created by real artists. Each track is handpicked for authenticity and emotional depth, giving your projects a unique edge. Unlike generic stock music platforms, Musicbed prioritizes quality and artistry, ensuring that every piece resonates with your audience. The platform's subscription plans offer unlimited downloads, giving you the freedom to experiment with multiple tracks until you find the perfect one. When you've found the perfect track, it's time to download and license it. Click the Download button, which automatically applies the appropriate licensing based on your subscription plan. For personal plans, the music is licensed for personal use, while business plans include broader commercial rights. Licensing ensures you can use the music legally in your projects without worrying about copyright claims. Musicbed simplifies this process by bundling licensing with your downloads, letting you focus on creativity instead of legalities. So Musicbed isn't just about finding great tracks, it also gives you the tools to refine your search and understand your music. One standout feature is the waveform visualization, which lets you see the pacing and dynamics of a track before downloading it. You need something specific. Use advanced search options like sorting by BPM or duration to tailor your selection to your project's exact needs. Once you've found the perfect track, integrating it into your project is effortless. Musicbed works seamlessly with popular editing tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. Some subscription plans even offer direct export options, saving you time and ensuring your workflow stays smooth and efficient. Collaboration is key for creative teams, and Musicbed makes it simple. You can share playlists with your team or grant collaborators access to your account so everyone stays on the same page. This feature is ideal for video editors, producers, and clients working together on large-scale projects. Musicbed caters to creators of all kinds. Wedding filmmakers love the platform's heartfelt cinematic scores, vloggers rely on its upbeat and versatile tracks, and corporate video producers value its professional soundscapes. No matter your niche, Musicbed has music that fits perfectly with your style and audience. Licensing can feel complicated, but Musicbed simplifies it for you. Personal plans cover individual projects like YouTube videos, while business plans include broader rights for commercial use. For large enterprises, custom plans provide tailored solutions. You can be confident knowing every track you download is fully licensed for your needs. Need help? Musicbed's support team is always ready to assist via chat or email. Plus, the platform's online community is an excellent resource for inspiration, featuring success stories, expert tips, and curated blogs to help you stay creative and motivated. Musicbed offers a range of subscription plans to fit different budgets. Personal plans are perfect for independent creators, while business and enterprise options provide comprehensive features for professionals and teams. With unlimited downloads and licensing included, every plan offers incredible value for creators. Using Musicbed is a seamless and rewarding experience that transforms your creative projects. From its easy-to-navigate library to its comprehensive licensing options, the platform provides everything you need to enhance your videos with premium music. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more tips and tutorials. Start exploring today at musicbed.com and take your content to the next level.